Hello my friends, and welcome to solve this math problem, which is x times x times x minus x times x is equals to 100 to find the values of x. In the first step, in here x times x times x, it will be x cubed, and minus x times x, it will be x squared is equals to 100. In next step, we take this 100 to this side, so it will be x cubed minus x squared and minus 100 is equals to 0. In here we have negative 100, so we can write negative 100 as negative 125 plus 25, right? So we write in here x cubed minus x squared and minus 125 plus 25 is equals to 0. And in next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together. So it will be x cubed minus 125 and minus, from these two parts, we factor negative 1. So it will be x squared minus 25 is equals to 0. In here we can write 125 x cubed minus, we can write 125 as 5 to the power of 3, and minus x squared minus 25, we can write 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 0. So in here we can write this as x minus 5 times x squared plus 5 times x, it will be 5x, and plus 5 to the power of 2, it will be 25, and minus, and this is in the form of difference of two squares, so we can write this as x minus 5 times x plus 5 is equals to 0. And in here x minus 5 is common, so we factor x minus 5. In here we have x squared plus 5x plus 25, and minus this divided by x minus 5, it will be x negative x plus 5, right? So negative x plus 5, it will be negative x minus 5 and is equals to 0. So in here it will be x minus 5 times x squared, 5x minus x, it will be 4x, and 25 minus 5, it will be 20 is equals to 0. In here we have two solutions for x. X minus 5 is equals to 0, or x squared plus 4x plus 20 is equals to 0. From here we take this negative 5 to this side, so it will be x is equals to 5, and this is our first answer. And in here we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, b is coefficient of x is 4, and c is constant is 20. So in here x is equals to negative b, negative 4, plus or minus square root of b squared. B squared is, it will be 4a squared, and 16 is 16, minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, and c is 20, over 2a, 2a is 2. So in here, x is equals to negative 4 plus or minus square root of, in here 4 times 1 times 20, it will be 80, right? So 16 minus 80, it will be negative 64, and over 2. And here we can write this as negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 64, we can write square root of 64 times square root of negative 1 and over 2. So in here, x is equals to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 64 is 8, and the square root of negative 1 is I, so it will be 8i over 2, and it will be negative 4 over 2 is negative 2, and plus or minus 8i over 2, it will be 4i. So in here we have two answers, and our final answer for x is x1 and x2 is negative 2 plus 4i, negative 2 plus 4i, and x3, our third answer, is negative 2 minus 4i, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.